Hello everyone, let's learn English with this blog. So let's get started. So as you can see right now in this side, you can see this is one kind of vegetable, and we can say this is arum. This is arum field, and you can see this is arum plants, and we call it in Bengali kochu. Banglate jake bola hoy kochu. Look this field, actually this is arum field, and you can see this is arum plants, and behind me, as you can see, look in the side, this is called okra plants, and you can say lady's finger plants, no problem. Look over there, there are some okra plants over here, and we also learn some new words. And in this side, look, this is also a vegetable field, and you can say this is brinjal plants, and I can say this is a brinjal field. Actually brinjal মানে হচ্ছে বেগুন, আমরা এটাকে বাংলাতে বেগুন বলে থাকি, ইংলিশে যাকে বলা হয় ব্রিঞ্জাল. And we learn some new words, and this is Malabar spinach. Look, this is a Malabar spinach plants, যাকে আমরা বাংলাতে বলে থাকি পুঁই শাক, আর ইংলিশে বলা হয় Malabar spinach. And you can say it Indian spinach, no problem. Moreover, we will learn some new vegetable name that is called pointed gourd. Look, this is a pointed gourd stage, as you can see, and this is a pointed gourd. Look, যাকে বাংলাতে বলা হয় পটল এবং ইংরেজিতে বলা হয় pointed gourd. So as you can see, and here you can see this is a tree, this is called mango tree, and mango মানে হচ্ছে আম, যেটাকে আমরা বাংলাতে আম বলে থাকি. Look, this is a mango tree, and you can see this is a paddy field. আসলে paddy মানে হচ্ছে ধান, so paddy field মানে হচ্ছে ধানের ক্ষেত. And in this side you can see, look, this is rich gourd plant. Look, there are some rich gourd plant over here. এটাকে বাংলাতে আমরা বলতে পারি যে ঝিঙ্গে গাছ, rich gourd মানে ঝিঙ্গে. And here you can see there are some grass plant. আসলে grass মানে হচ্ছে ঘাস, and this is called hybrid grass. As you can see, this is one kind of hybrid grass over here. And behind me, as you can see, there are some unknown plants over here, and this is called bush. Bush মানে হচ্ছে ঝোপ বা ঝাড়, আমরা বাংলাতে যেটাকে বলে থাকি bush, ইংলিশে যেটাকে বলা হয় bush, বাংলাতে বলা হয় সেটাকে ঝোপ ঝাড়. So as you can see, this is called bush. And here you can see there are some plants, and we call in Bengali, this is called sojne gas in Bengali, but in English we can say drumstick plant, as you can see. And behind me, as you can see, this is called palm trees. Ashole palm মানে হচ্ছে তাল, and palm trees মানে হচ্ছে তাল গাছ. So dear friends, I'm making this video only for learning English vocabulary. So if you want to learn English vocabulary, you can learn these types of vocabulary practically, because without learning practically you can't able to learn English language very easily. So that's why I will request you, if you want to learn English language, you can practice your English like this way. By practically you can learn English language practically, then very short time you will be able to speak in English, and you will be able to learn English language very easily and very fast. So dear friends, if you watch my video for the first time, do subscribe my channel, and please like my video. So bye bye.